You can make mayonnaise in 60 seconds, they said. I didn't believe them. You need to use a stick blender, they said. So today, I'm going to try and use a stick blender to make turmeric and garlic mayonnaise. I want to make a healthy version of mayonnaise. It gets a lot of bad press. Turmeric's good for you, and so is garlic. I've got 3 eggs, and I need to separate the yolks from the whites. So I'm doing it with the eggshell, the traditional way. There's lots of other ways you can do it, but the eggshell's the best way. 3 egg yolks in the jar, followed by a good 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard and 1 minced garlic clove, followed by a teaspoon of turmeric. Now I'm going to throw in the juice of a lemon, or you can use a tablespoon of wine vinegar. In goes 3 parts vegetable oil and 1 part olive oil. Pour it all in, get your stick blender, push it right to the bottom and start it off. Now we want to slightly raise the stick blender and move it round a bit until all the oil has emulsified and joined forces with those egg yolks and the other ingredients. It's ready when you can no longer see any oil, and it will take less than 60 seconds. It really is absolutely amazing. I was very skeptical about this, but I've made it and I've had a taste of it, and it's absolutely sensational. Why have I used turmeric and garlic? Well, I just wanted to do something a little bit different. As you can see there, I've added a little bit of salt as well. You can always use pepper, but let me emphasize this. This mayonnaise is a very thick version. If you want it a little bit looser, add a couple of 3 tablespoons of water and whisk it in. It will be a lot looser. I wanted a thick, traditional French style mayo. The turmeric, an amazing antioxidant. The garlic is great for the heart. It really is. Leave them out if you just want to make a regular mayonnaise, but don't forget to add the salt. It's huge. It is easy mayo made with a stick blender in 60 seconds. Glad you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.